Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 4.31, and in this question it is given to you a cyclist is riding with a speed of 27 km per hour, and as he approaches a circular turn of road of radius 80 meter, he applies brakes and reduces his speed at constant rate of 0.50 meter per second every second. Clear? So let's suppose if we talk about motion of this cyclist in a circular path, clear? Motion of this cyclist in a circular path, clear? So let's suppose cyclist is reaches near about this circle, and we can say at this time speed of this cyclist, we can say this is V, clear? And value of V is given to 27 km per hour, so we can convert into meter per second. This is 2, this one is 3, so we can say this is 15/2 meter per second, clear? Now it is given in this question cyclist is applying here brake, so brake if he is applying, value is given to you. We can say because he is applying brakes, so acceleration direction, tangential acceleration direction is opposite to direction of velocity, so we can say this is 0.5 meter per second square. Clear to you? Now we know when cyclist is going in a circular path, a centripetal force is acting in this direction along the radius towards the center, and this value is given, that is AC. Clear? So value of AC, we can say this is equal to V square by R. Clear? Value of V, we can say this is equal to 15/2. So 15/2 multiply 15/2, and this is multiply 1/80. Clear? So if we solve it, we can find here value of AC. Value of AC, we can say 15/2 into 1/80. So we can say this is 16, we can say this is 3. Clear? From here you can say this is 45 divided by, we can say 4, and this is 64. Clear to you? So if you solve it, you will find this value is approximately equal to 0.7 meter per second square. Clear to you? Now you can say here we have this value is 0.7 meter per second square, this one is 0.5 meter per second square, so net acceleration will act in this direction. This is A net. Clear? So let's suppose if I take this angle is theta, so can we find here direction also? Yes, tan theta. Tan theta is given by, we can say this is 80 upon AC. 80 is given to you 0.5 upon 0.7. So this is equal to 5/7. So from here we can calculate value of theta. Clear to you? But what is the net acceleration? Clear? So value of net acceleration we can calculate. Value of net acceleration, this is given by under root of, we can say AC square plus AT square. Clear? Under root of AC square. AC square is given, this is 0.7, this is 0.5. So 0.7 square plus 0.5 square. Clear? So if we calculate, definitely we can find here value of net acceleration, and value of net acceleration you will find this is equal to under root of 0.74 and approximately 0.8, we can say meter per second square. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question. Clear?